Hi guys, welcome to this video. We are still on our series on area of 2D shapes. In this particular video, we'll be considering the area of a trapezium. Some students in the US call it trapezoid. For us to be able to calculate the area of this plane shape, we first need to know what it is and then what are the components of a trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral. Remember, a quadrilateral is a four-sided 2D shape or a four-sided plane shape in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So a quadrilateral has four sides, or a quadrilateral has two pairs of opposite sides. But for a trapezoid, unlike a rectangle or a square, where two of the opposite sides are parallel, in the case of a trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So if you look at this trapezium we have here, it has four sides, but only A and B are parallel. So parallel lines are lines moving in the same direction but can never meet. So A and B are parallel lines. However, these two lines, if you keep extending them, they will get to a point where they will meet. So these two lines are not parallel lines. Only these two lines are parallel lines. So whenever you see a 2D shape that has one pair of opposite sides as parallel lines, that shape is a trapezium. So in order to calculate the area of this trapezium, we need to know the components of this trapezium. So the shorter side of this trapezium, labeled A, is the shorter length. The longer side, B, is the longer length. And the distance between them is the height of the trapezium. So this is the formula you're going to employ to calculate the area of a trapezium. Area is equal to 1 over 2 parenthesis A plus B times height. So you are doing this in order to find the average of the two lengths. So we want to get the average of the two lengths and then multiply it by the height. That is why we have half A plus B. Okay, A plus B, and then you divide by 2 to get their average. So let's use this formula to solve this example we have here. So first thing we can observe here is this shape and this shape seem to be different. So if this is a trapezium, is this also a trapezium? Remember, a trapezium is a quadrilateral that has one pair of opposite sides as parallel lines. So if you look at this side and this side, you can see that they are parallel lines. How about this side and this side? Are they parallel lines? I don't think so. So if you move this line straight up and you keep extending this line, they will meet at some point. So these two lines are not parallel lines. Only these two lines are parallel lines. And since we have only one pair of opposite sides as parallel lines, this shape qualifies to be a trapezium. So using this formula, we are going to solve the area. So we know that area is equal to half A plus B times height. So from the shape we have here, what is our A? Remember, A is the shorter length. So A is equal to 7 centimeters. Our B is the longer length. Therefore, B is equal to 11 centimeters. And our H is the height, which is 5 centimeters. So substituting these values into the equation, we have A is equal to half into 7 plus 11 times 5. Next, we know that half into 7 plus 11 is going to give us 18 times 5. So what is half times 18? Half times 18 is the same thing as half of 18, which is 9. So we have 9 times 5. And 9 times 5 is equal to 45. So the area of this trapezium is 45 centimeter square. Very simple. So if you understood what we did here, I'd like you to solve this classwork and leave your answer in the comment section. Find the area of the trapezium. So I'd like to see the answer to this question in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.